Z105 screen-equipped drone operation guide. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Plug in the power adapter. Red light stays on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Plug in the power adapter. Indicator light stays on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Insert the memory card. Unfold the drone arms. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold the power in the drone. Then turn on the remote control. The remote will automatically pair with the drone. Wait for the video transmission connection. One-touch gyro calibration. Push the left stick up to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-touch takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Hit the speed switch in the upper left corner. One beep indicates low speed. Two beeps indicate medium speed. Three beeps indicate high speed. Adjust the electric camera. Enable obstacle avoidance mount. The drone will automatically avoid obstacles. Enable headless mount. The drone will treat the remote controller's direction as backward. Press briefly again to disable headless mode. Press the roll button and move the right joystick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Tap to turn drone lights on, off. One-touch landing. Short press the photo button to take a picture. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save the recording. Press the return button and select the file system. To view saved photos and videos. Press the switch button to view recordings. Short press the return button to go back to the video transmission screen. Connecting the app. Scan the QR code in the menu to download the corresponding app for your phone's operating system. Press and hold the power on the drone. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the app. The transmission feed will appear. Clip your phone in place to begin flying. Replacing propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew and remove the propeller screws. Note the AB markings. Reinstall the corresponding propellers.